Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a butterfly ruched skirt with side ruffles. To make this style, you'll be needing a soft crepe or chiffon material up to 4 yards, tailor's chalk, scissors, staple, paper for drafting. Draft a basic skirt pattern, slope the waist by 1 inch, cut it out, open it up and slash lines, put on a fresh paper and number it, spread it to 2 inches spacing, cut it out and add sewing allowance, split back to the original length and add side ruffles. The final look will be like this. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my video.